Good evening, everyone. Tonight we are going to talk about TV again, and we wanted to talk to you about a feature of our IPTV guide. Now, there's a lot of cool features to our interactive guide that you might not even know are there, so we wanted to show you the weather app. The weather app on your guide will show you current forecast, the future forecast, and you can see radar information and all that good stuff. So we have a handy little video that walks you through how to access the app and what you will find there. So we're going to share that here, and we hope you enjoy.
Weather app. The weather app allows the current weather statistics, including a 5-day forecast and local radar information, to be viewed through multiple guides and menus. It can be accessed through the My Apps category to instantly bring up an on-screen window with the most current weather information. Select the Menu button on your remote control. Select My Apps, highlight Weather, and select the OK button. A window will appear on the screen with the most current weather data for the selected area. Press the green button to see a 5-day forecast and press the yellow button to see the radar. To return to the current conditions window, press the red button on the remote control. To set the selected area for weather information, choose the Weather tab from the My Settings menu, and the Weather Options window will appear. If there are multiple areas available, then you may select the desired area for which you would like to receive weather information and/or statistics. The current weather conditions for the area you have chosen can also be viewed in the channel guide and the browser bar.